How to fill text box background color in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Here, to add a text box background color, click on text on the left side. And if you click on text, you won't be able to add any background color, as it will only change the text color. So what you need to do is click on elements on the left side. Here, scroll down and click on shapes. After you click on shapes in here, you'll find different shapes. Select the shape you want your text box to be. After the shape is added, resize and drag it wherever you want it to be. Then click on text on the left side again. Add the text, type in what you want to type, and then you can change the color of the text. Then you can drag it upwards in the text box. Now for the text box, click on it. After you click on it, click on the color icon at the top, and on the left side you'll find all the colors. Select the color you want your box to be, and if you scroll down in colors, you'll find gradient colors as well. You can change your text box into any gradient color as you want. And this is how to fill text box background color in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.